What's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial you are going to learn how we are going to undo, clear, redo, cut, copy, paste in front, paste in back, paste in place, paste on all our board, paste without formatting, and clear under edit menu. So we just started with the edit menu. So here on the top we have this undo, clear. So if you want to undo, so the shortcut for that is Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard. And here let me draw this shape, and I'm going to press delete on my keyboard. So here on edit menu I can click on undo, clear, or I can hold Ctrl Z so we can undo this shape. And also we have this redo, so the shortcut for that is Shift plus Ctrl plus Z. So I'm going to make another shape right here with a different color. So in edit menu, if I click undo, apply swatch, so it's going to undo. But here I can click on redo, apply swatch as well. So I'm going to click at that. So this is how you can undo and redo, and you can use the shortcut. For undo it's Ctrl plus Z. For redo we have the Shift plus Ctrl plus Z. And we have the cut. The shortcut for that is Ctrl plus X. And we have the copy. We can make a copy out of this. When we made a copy we can paste, so the shortcut for paste is Ctrl plus V. So I'm going to click on copy, and here on edit I can click, or you can just hold Ctrl V so you can make another copy. And here we have this paste in front, and the shortcut for that is Ctrl plus F. What is this used for? So we are going to click on copy. If we want to make a copy, just right here in this place in front of this shape, so I'm going to click on paste in front. So now I'm going to change the color for that. So here I have a copy from this shape in the same place. And also we have paste in back. The shortcut for that is Ctrl plus B. So I'm going to click at that. So here let me move this shape and also this one. So we have a copy right here on the back of this shape. And also we have paste in place. So paste in place is something that you're going to paste right here in this place, just like paste in front. So if I'm going to make a copy out of this, click on copy, and here on edit, so I'm going to click on paste in place. So in the same place we have another copy, so I can select this again, click on copy. So the same thing, paste in front. So the same thing with paste in place and paste in front. We can make a copy and paste it right here on the same place. And also we have this, and the shortcut for paste in place is Shift plus Ctrl plus V. And we have this paste on all artboards. So if there is multiple artboards, so I'm going to click at this toolbar right here, click on the plus icon so I can add another artboard. So here I'm going to paste on all artboards. So I'm going to click at that. So here, as you can see, in this artboard we have another copy of this shape. And if you want to copy anything for multiple artboards, so we can click on paste on all artboards. So it's going to paste all in multiple artboards. So we have this paste without formatting. I'm going to click on type tool. So here I'm going to type, and here I'm going to change the color for this one. So now I'm going to select everything, go to the edit and click on copy. So now here, if I want to paste this text without formatting, so I'm going to click on paste without formatting. So the shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus V. So I'm going to just click. So as you can see, without formatting, here I have my text that is paste here without formatting. And also we have clear. So if you click on clear, so nothing is actually going to clear from here. But if you want to clear all the selected objects, all text or anything that is inside your artboard, so you can click on edit and click on clear. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use this undo, clear, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste in front, paste in back, paste in place, paste on all artboards, paste without formatting, and clear under edit menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.